What's up, everyone? I know I haven't posted in a while, but I'm finally starting to post again. I got to go experience this really cool game in an abandoned latex factory, which is pretty awesome, but I wasn't able to capture a lot of the gameplay, so my clips kind of do suck, so I do apologize about that. And it was very dark in the factory, but I hope you guys enjoy. These are the clips I have, so let's get into it. Just to help you guys understand the gameplay a little bit better, this is based off of a video game called Escape from Tarkov. So there's 3 factions. There's Scav, USEC, and Bear.
Oh, I'm USEC. Over here. Corner. I'm USEC. I'm on your team. USEC. I thought you guys were Bear. Oh, you guys are scabs? Earlier, I found a way to get into this building here. Yeah, it's through the side. There's a hallway, and you take a right, and it's like a dark little door. It brings you into the lunchroom, and then you can get to the main lobby.
Where's the rest of the scabbies?
So I know how to get in. There's friendlies over here. I guess it's half scab versus another half scab is what's happening. But
I'm trying to find my squad lead real quick.
Yeah, I don't know where he went. Oh no, it's not him. I found a way to get into this room that I don't think many people know about. It's just a hallway that you're supposed to go down, and it gets us in there right in the center.
We're just trying to think of a plan.
We're trying to get into this building, right? Let's do it.
All right, let's go guys.
Ready? 3. Oh shit, there's someone right there. Godspeed. We're gonna let's run up. Let's try to get onto the left side of the factory because there's a hallway that could take straight into the factory. Oh.
Right.
Ready?
Right, go. Right behind you.
USEC. Okay. You guys aren't with the Bears, right? Because we had half your scav people saying that you guys were working with the Bears.
You know, it changes. You start paid me in a grenade though, so I'm with you guys right now.
Air shot at us, and then we got mad.
Oh, that was me. I'm sorry. All right, ready? Go. Ready? Okay.
Watch it, watch it.
Oh, they walked. Oh, no, they didn't. Ready? Hold it over. It's clear? Look. Bear and USEC are probably going to be in this room right here, so this is where it gets cool. Ready? Be careful. Shh, shh, shh. Above us. One upstairs. Okay, USEC. USEC, right? Then we control this building right now. So we should have half of our guys go upstairs, and then half of our guys stay down here so we can control this building, because this is how they're taking us out. All right.
There's a good sniper position upstairs. Like the main lobby. Just
Okay, do you three want, or should us three go upstairs? Because we shouldn't all be on one level. We should have.
let's go upstairs and try to hold it.
Okay.
Just be careful, you guys. You look like you suck, you know?
Yeah. Right's looking clear. Okay, I'm watching here. I'm watching here. Good. We're good. I do apologize for my camera always cutting off. I need to fix that. It's because I choose to always record so many different matches instead of record one match and post that one. So I do apologize for that. I'll be fixing that soon. In this match, there's actually an objective that the USEC and Bear share. They both have to kill the Scav boss, which holds a red key card, and whoever gets that has to give the red key card to the Scavs, which the Scavs then give them files that they need to extract with, and whoever does that first wins. Who's on the stairs? Oh, I'm USEC 2, I'm USEC 2. Admin. thinking of trying to go in the door outside, but I can't get there. I only killed one bear trying to get over there. Oh, you're right.
So what I'm trying to do is go through another entrance at the end of that hallway to pin those bears down between me and the USEC we just saw.
It's not fair. We were taking a picture.
I'm sorry, guys. I can't have you guys sneaking up behind my teammates. Sorry, buddy. You sec up the stairs? There was 3 bears trying to ambush you. I got them. We know we're here now. We kind of gotta make a move. Wait, they might have the key card. I gotta loot them.
That right there was the moment I realized I needed to loot them to see if they had the red key card.
Oh, I've gotta loot you guys for a key card. If I was a key card, I'm gonna start with you. Is that okay?
Don't touch my Jolly Ranchers or my Little Pony 10-year anniversary pack of cards.
I think this. Oh my god. Oh, the goat. Oh, thank you guys. Sorry. Sorry, you guys had to find out that way. Ah! USEC. I killed 3. Come on, we gotta go. I'm gonna head out. I need you guys with me. There was 3 sneaking up on me. I got 'em. Eben. We should run to our SL. 3 people trying to ambush and kill you guys. I say we go to our squad leader because we got to get inside the security building.
Is he the only one who can?
No, but he's over there.
So the footage does sadly cut off. I know this wasn't a great video. I'm sorry, but I hope you guys enjoyed.